Apple's iPhone 15 range is rumored to have bigger batteries and a new USB-C port, which might contribute to both longer iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro battery life and quicker charging. The introduction of new battery technology, which will increase the battery capacity of iPhone 15 models, will be one of the most significant changes in the iPhone 15 series. According to a tip, cider improvements, stacked batter manufacturing technology comparable to what is used in electric cars will be coming in iPhone 15 series. As a consequence, it will help to enhance battery. According to reports, the iPhone 15-based model will have the highest battery jump, 18%, with a battery capacity of 3,877 mAh, while the iPhone 15 Plus will have a battery capacity of 4,912 mAh, a 14% jump, and the iPhone 15 Pro will have a 14% battery jump with a battery capacity of 3,650 mAh, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max will have a 12% battery jump with a battery capacity of 4,852 mAh. If the battery size increase rumor is true, we may anticipate at least a corresponding boost in phone battery life. A more efficient Apple A17 chipset as well as a newer OLED display generation would most likely contribute to the battery size increase advantages. This is a significant increase in battery capacity, but we must consider the weight and size of the device. It is apparent that we will see a thicker device, which, in my view, will make the device a bit heavier due to stack-up. Battery technology, and the second big update will be the introduction of USB-C. Yep, respectable experts are now of the belief that all phones in Apple's 2023 range will come with a new USB-C port with power delivery capabilities rather than the aging Lightning port. Also, with the advent of the USB-C port on the iPhone 15 series, Apple will have all the infrastructure in place for faster charging. It will enable Apple to officially raise the 20-watt charging speed of the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max to the higher 27-watt or 29-watt charging peak. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.